My name is Scottie Russell. I'm the auto and collision instructor here at Northeast Tech in Pryor. When I was in high school, I decided to come here and actually come into the collision repair program. It made me really want and interested in this field. After I graduated here, I went to OSU to further my education in collision repair. Then I went to the industry, worked for 12 years. Then I decided to go and start teaching at the college level. And now that I've been teaching at the college level, I came back home and wanted to teach where it all started. So a good thing about learning what we do in the collision repair, it involves everything from welding to detail to paint to all of those different areas. And it's something that it doesn't matter if they go to Florida, New York, California, or stay local. There's going to be a bunch of skill that they learn that can help them be successful in life. The best part about what I do on a day-to-day basis is I still get to do what I really enjoy doing, is collision repair, but I get to pass it on to this younger generation and see them succeed. Past graduates calling me and just telling me about their experiences or telling me about the stuff that they've accomplished over the last few years is something that is just, it's beyond pay.